Well, I hope everybody's summer is going along well. We have a special for sale video here today. One of our customers from a couple of years ago, he's wants to sell his wide gauge Bombardier. We'll put a couple extra links in the description of the video so you guys can see which Bombardier it is and the walk around. But it's a short, quick for sale video with some photos, and we are not involved other than doing the video. And so if you're looking to buy this Bombardier, you need to contact the owner himself and do the deal. But it's a very good Bombardier, and Dad did a lot of months of restoration work on this Bombardier. So just stay tuned here and watch the quick video. We're coming up right after this. And I'm gonna go check them out down by the river. Okay, so we're back at the maroon or mauve colored Bombardier here. Dad's going to go through front to back what all has been done on here. Customer has indicated they might be thinking about selling. We don't know why. We think there might be a line on another Bombardier, but he wanted us to do a video on front to back, and so that if you're interested in buying a Bombardier, the customer might be selling. So Dad's going to go front to back on everything here so you can see what's going on.
Okay, it was opened up and it's hinged, and these are put in there just so the snow doesn't get in.
Okay.
Power steering is here.
Yeah.
Grease nipple right there. That grease is the pinion.
Okay.
Plus the steering shaft.
Okay.
This is a double fan heater. It's brand new.
Okay.
It's three speed. Take our time here a bit. Put these little safety pins in just so it doesn't come open.
Okay.
Now, this has got a new light bar.
Okay.
New lights, no new windshield wiper motor. It has spring dampers.
Okay.
Everything is serviced. Electric power steering, shifter on the dash, GPS. There's the heater button there.
Yeah.
And then
I'm just going to get on the other side there, Dad.
this is the heater button.
Yeah.
You turn it high,
Yeah.
low,
High, low.
and off. And this is interior lights. And this is wiper,
Okay.
horn, tack.
Okay. So,
Everything is serviced, and that's good. This machine has the solid back tire with a big axle.
okay.
That little touch there is worth $1,500 alone. Upholstery is in here, and there's a double floor with D-rings. You can take out half of the floor and service the U-joints or whatever, and take that half out, and you can do the differential.
So you did some work on the diff and the brakes here. What's underneath there?
He has hydraulic brakes.
Okay, hydraulic brakes, and then Dad did a lot of cleanup underneath there. You can see this on our previous videos, but we want to give a good walk around here on the work that's been done. It's a nice machine.
Yeah, it's a good machine. All it needs is sanding and a paint job. And it's double battery, a double switch, so you can shut one battery off or put them both on, whatever you like.
Okay. And what kind of carburetor in there? It's an Edelbrock, yeah?
That's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel, blue filter, everything. Just
Okay.
runs perfect. And then here, a rebuilt rad and a large transmission cooler.
Okay.
Anybody's looking for a good work machine and they're not fussy on the paint job, this one's ready to go.
Yeah.
Or even for a private individual.
Yeah.
That's the fuel switch. Left, right.
Yeah.
And it also has a separate switch.
Okay.
So say you had the lights on or something, you killed the battery. All you have to do is just switch the power on off the other one.
Yeah. Should good to go. Now, how good are the wheels and the tracks on this thing?
The belting is 4-ply, it's excellent, and the cleats are about 70 to 80%.
Okay.
Good. So you have no trouble. There's
Okay.
a couple of cracks and a couple of tires that fail out there. Sprockets are good. I mean, this one, as long as he greases this wheel, will probably last as long as anybody wants to drive it.
Okay.
It's got door stops on it so they can't fly open, and these braces are hooked from here to the dash so you don't pull the dash in a bit,
Okay.
which usually happens.
So, almost new gauges all along there too, guys.
Yeah.
The other thing is, like we put quite a bit of work into this, but really the last thing left to be done on this is sanding, priming, and painting, and
Body filling.
yeah, a little bit here and there and whatnot. But this is a complete overhaul. Dad went from front to back on this one,
This one's good, right from back to front.
and everything runs smooth. You know, if you're looking to step into a machine that's already done, this is one of the ones out there that you can actually step into and be done.
Receivers on both ends.
And I think the customer does have the skis at home, and so they do have the skis as well. And then
Yeah, the rebuilt skis.
there's a few other things that obviously the customer left at home. And like that, Dad keeps mentioning that rear wheel. That's like a $1,500 wheel right there. And so they, yeah.
There's tires in the front just for driving them around.
Yeah.
And work on them.
So we'll talk to the customer, and we'll probably end up putting the customer's name in the description of the video. So you just got to look down below here. And if you're interested in stepping into a Bombardier that you can drive away, from what we understand, the customer may be interested in in selling this one. So you can contact the seller directly. We just fix them. We don't sell them. So nice machine, runs well. It got the Gary McLean treatment from front to back, and you guys can all watch the previous videos on this one. It was over the ones from last fall and early spring here of 2023. So fall 2022 and spring 2023. And then, you know, there's the minor little MPI repairs here as well.